Good morning, children. Rohana ma'am here. The second standard students, those who have taken their books, those who have taken their books from the school, who have collected their books from the school, from today we'll start writing in your classwork, English classwork note. You all might be having a 4-line classwork note which I've given to you all along with the book set. So you all have to start writing your unit 1's question answers and words meaning in the classwork note. The first one over here, I have already written it on the board, right in your classwork note, and it has to be written very neatly. The first one you'll write are the words and the meanings. When you write words and meanings, if you have your book, your words and meanings are given on page number 3. Your words and meanings are given on page number 3. You can look at the words and meaning and write it in your classwork note. But those who don't have the book, they can write it neatly in one of their 4-line last year's notebook and bring it for check-in. We'll be checking all the children's notebooks. So you all can write it neatly in the old notebook and bring it for check-in. Those who have got the textbook and notebooks with them, you have to take your 4-line English notebook and write in that. So the first word and meaning note over here, affection is liking or love. Tie means to hold 2 or more things together with strings. Okay. Celebrate, to show a day is important by doing something special. Carry, to take things from one place to another. Okay, so these are the meanings which are at this side. I have given only 4 meanings here. The other 2 are that side. The 5th one is protect, means keep secure or give safety. Then the 6th one, arti, a plate with lamps. Then you have to write the second point like this, answer the following in one word. It's only one word answers. Where is Sumaguin? When I had read the lesson out to you, you all might not remember it. So Miss has written the answer here. When you all come back to class, we will again go through it again. One time I'll revise it with you all when you all come back to school. Where is Sumaguin? She's going to the market. So I've only written one word, market. And what does she want to buy? She wants to buy a Rakhi. So only one word, I have written Rakhi. So this is the question answers which are given in the same page number 3, and you can look at the question from there and you can write the answer from the board. Okay, or you can take the help of your parents and you can write only one word answer. So children, this is only till here. The second one, I'll be giving you another 3 more questions. I'll just show that to you even. Children, regarding this, after you finish writing this one word answers over here, where is Suma going to the market? What does she want to buy? Rakhi. Then the third question is, when is affection and love established? Okay. So when is affection and love established? It is established on Raksha Bandhan. So Raksha Bandhan is actually in Hindi, it's actually one whole word. It's the festival of Rakhi. So that is on Raksha Bandhan, affection and love is established. That's only one word. So these are 3 question answers which come under the one word questions. Now you come to the third point. Now when you come here to the third point, answer the following in a sentence. Here you have to make one complete sentence. The answer should be in one complete sentence. Okay children, the first question over here, what do the sisters carry in a plate? What do the sisters carry in a plate? So, sisters carry a Rakhi and Arti on a plate. In a plate. What do the sisters carry in a plate? They carry Rakhi and an Arti. They carry an Arti in a plate. Okay, children? So, that is the answer is fully in one sentence. Okay. Arti, they carry a Rakhi and Arti on a plate. Next you come to the second question over here. What do the brothers promise their sisters? The brothers promise to protect their sisters. The brothers promise to protect their sisters. So children, first you have to start with the words meaning. Then you have to come to answer the following in one word. Then you have to come to answer the following in a sentence. So these things have to be written very clearly in your note These things have to be written very clearly in your note, and you have to send it to Rohana Miss to check. And there will be a particular date in which we will be telling, we'll be asking you all to bring your notebooks for checking in school. That day I'll be checking everybody's classwork notes, which has to be written very neatly and clear. Fine children, you can write this and send it back to Miss. If you have any doubts, you can call Miss and ask me on my number, or you can send me a message on WhatsApp and I'll get back to you for that. But please do this and send it to me. This is the homework for this English week. Okay, thank you children.